I am effortlessly stunning. I naturally radiate exceptional beauty. My beauty grows more radiant every day. I glow from the inside out. My presence is unforgettable. I walk with elegance and confidence. I carry myself with perfect poise. My aura is mesmerizing. My energy is warm, magnetic, and inviting. I naturally attract positive attention. My smile is beautiful and genuine. My eyes sparkle with confidence. My facial features work together harmoniously. My skin looks healthy, smooth, and luminous. My hair beautifully complements my appearance. I express confidence through my posture. I feel beautiful in every outfit I wear. I love the way I look. I appreciate my unique beauty. I embrace my individuality. My confidence makes me even more attractive. I become more graceful every day. I leave a positive and lasting impression. I naturally stand out with elegance. I carry myself with quiet self-assurance. I deserve to feel beautiful. I deserve to feel confident. I deserve kindness and respect. My beauty reflects my self-love. I shine wherever I go. I am calm, confident, and radiant. I effortlessly become the best version of myself. I enjoy taking care of myself. I notice my own beauty more every day. I appreciate every improvement I see. I glow with happiness and confidence. My inner peace enhances my outer beauty. I attract positive experiences. I feel comfortable in my own skin. I naturally make a wonderful first impression. My authentic self is my greatest strength. I am worthy of admiration and respect. My confidence inspires others. I walk into every room with ease. I embrace every part of myself. I become more radiant with every passing day. I choose confidence over self-doubt. I celebrate my uniqueness. I am beautifully and authentically myself. I radiate confidence, grace, and beauty everywhere I go.